Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to Da Nang Beach. Look at this beautiful sign. That's also the thumbnail. We're gonna take a stroll now here in Fukmei Beach. The neighborhood is called Fukmei, if you have not known that yet. And we're gonna take a stroll now here at very interesting apartments. Apartments you have here if you want to, but those are hotels. The Narlot Hotel, Radisson, Awaken, 4 Points by Sheraton. Lots of great hotels here in this neighborhood. Beachfront hotels over beachfront hotels. I did already review a few of them, but this beach part is very beautiful, guys. What do you think? But you have to be careful, guys. Check out all those coconuts on top of the tree. I wouldn't be too safe here, guys. Be aware, you can always drop down. But don't lay there, sleep. Why do all those trees have numbers on it? Oh, look at this. Couples doing cute photos here. This is a nice area to be. But I would hang around this area where there are no coconuts on it. It's safer. I think they already took down all the coconuts right at the children's playground over there. It's good, else it would be too dangerous, guys. Well, I cannot see any coconuts over there. So this is a spot here. It will at some point end where you can walk the promenade. At some point you have to go now to the left. We will find out. Check this out. This just dropped down. Oh boy, look at this. I would not want to sit there. You see where the guy sits? Nah. Every time I see something like this, I'm like, okay, what are the chances, right? But to be honest, I saw my old best friend when I was young got shit on by a bird. What are the chances of that? One single bird just choose to shit on you, on your head. I saw it. Very loud music here. I don't know what it is, why they have this music on. But I'm gonna walk here. I'm also gonna show you some very interesting birds. Talking about birds shitting on your head. There are birds and they're gonna shit on your head, maybe. I think they're pigeons. Those pigeons have a nicer view than you to the beach. Check this out. Beachfront property, high rise, 5-story, elevated, nice German style roof. This quality of those houses might be better than few qualities in the Antung area in the houses. I don't see any mold here. High quality, guys. But I don't know where the birds are. I think there were more out there somewhere. Okay guys, let's check out this beach part here. I don't know what happened here. Maybe this is the old bird house. I don't know what this is. Gotta be careful, guys. Look at this. Yeah. It's very busy here, guys. There are also some jet skis. I'm wondering if you can just pull up with your own jet ski and drive around here. What kind of license do you need for that? Or do you need a license even for jet ski? Probably if it's less than 45 kilometers per hour, maybe you don't need one. I don't know what this is. Look at this, a small boat over there. So I think this is parking here, but there's a huge parking lot over there. It's right in between those big hotels, the Nalot, and then the next one should be the Radisson. Or, which one is it? Yep, Radisson. Check this out, guys. They're selling lots of durian here and fruits. And also lots of tour buses here parked. There's some showers over there on the right and beach clubs. Very interesting, guys. So also one of my favorite hotels is the Fukmei. I did a review on that too. I think on the thumbnail there's Marcus with it. Very nice. I really like the Fukmei. All those, the rooms are not that big and everything. And the nicest room they have, it's a little bit expensive, but nice. It has the perfect, it has everything I want. Japanese toilets, perfect ocean view from the toilet. Nice and spacious, clean, beautiful. But the rooms are also very nice. But the corner suites is the sweet spot. The sweet spot. The sweet spot. Yeah! Look at this, so much people going. It's also very busy here. Check this out, the prices are very good. 40,000 for coffee. Coconut is 40,000. Very good prices compared to the more touristy places. But Radisson, I think it's good, but Fukmei is just better, in my opinion. So for all my ISG guys, this is the place. I would say Fukmei and then the Crown Plaza. Very nice hotels together. One in the city, one here. Maybe even the Crown Plaza on the beach. I still have to review this, so I don't know how it looks at the moment. But yeah, one interesting thing is here, so it is a little bit blocked away, the beach now. So you don't have a proper beach walk here, right? There's one very strange hotel, Temple Da Nang, water sports, restaurant, bar, and event. So you cannot even walk through that to the beach. So they tell you to use the public walkway. If you don't go and eat and drink here, you are not allowed to go through the beach. And it takes so much space here. Such a waste. It looks so ugly inside. They should just demolish it and make something nice out of it. It looks very run down though. I can just show you the design, right? Then you know everything you need to know. I did not even review this hotel yet, but I walked one time, sneaky me, I walked through the whole thing. Maybe I even recorded it, I have no idea. Forgot. But check this out, guys. The letters are not even. Not even, rusty. But it's so good land there. I don't know who messed up there again. You could imagine, the idea is great. The event space and everything, beautiful, but very run down. Imagine you have the best piece of land here in Da Nang, and this is everything you do out of it. Very pathetic. But yeah, I think we're gonna walk over there now. Check out these beachfront hotels from the front here. We have a small one, Sikong Hotel. I did review that too, but I filmed it, but I did not put it in the video because it did not fit to the video. But I think if it's a good price, it might be a good value. I've been in there, big rooms, but old. Let's walk a little bit here. The Radisson, Fukmei. And then all the way in the back there, the Awaken. Also nice hotel. I did actually a review about that too. So check it out. Beautiful entrance though. Nice big wooden door. Good happy hour. I love those cars here. This is what I usually take now, limo green. I mean, it's not that nice inside. It's like very basic spec, but it's nice and clean and spacious. And I take it more than a Grab. So if you take a Grab 7-seater, you usually, so this is a very common Grab car, those small Mitsubishi something. And then the Expander is very popular everywhere. It's a 6-seater. That's usually what we get, because you can actually you can change the AC. Those beautiful cars, that's what I would want to have. But as you can see here, all these modern cars are taxis with Grab. So you have a very nice, clean and modern fleet all over Da Nang. That's very nice. You don't have that in many cities in the world. Where do you go and have a modern, nice seat, modern, nice Grab car, Uber? Usually you have not as nice cars. Here, very nice. What is this? Ghetto. Okay, so this was for rent for a long time. So now what's happening over there? So now it's a ghetto bar, club and cafe. Interesting. Open 24/7. See you soon. Okay, interesting. Okay. Maybe I will check it out. And we have massage body, 7C. Okay. I guess you know what's happening over there. It's very interesting. Those sketchy places are right on the front beach. Oh, so this is the Awaken, and yeah, there's even more massages over there. Interesting. This building, I'm wondering what this will be. But yeah, with this, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.